Welcome to Image Presto. In today's video, we're going to take a look at how to restore images by using prompts in the AI Image Editor tool. To start, go ahead and click on the AI Image Editor tool. You will notice an empty box in the center. You can upload your images. You can either drag and drop on your image or click to upload. Let's upload our image. Here, I've uploaded an antique photo of a couple standing in front of their home. The image has bent marks, minor tears, and a coffee stain at the top. The goal is to repair the damage on the image to look as good as new. To do this, type in your prompt in your prompt box explaining the changes you want made to your image. Before you click edit, make sure to check your settings and choose your model type, your output format, and then click on the edit button. Move the slider to see the changes. Next, let's add some elements to the image. To do this, go ahead and clear your prompt box, add in a brand new prompt. This time, I added in to add rose bushes and also change the image to color. Check your settings, make sure to select the Edit Modified feature, and then click on the Edit button. With the AI Image Editor tool, not only were we able to repair the damages on the image, we were also able to add elements and alter the color, providing the image with a brand new perception. When you're satisfied with the image, click on the Download button.